We're back out here at Avenir in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida for day 2. Yesterday, for our first day of flying, we completed 2 out of our 3 required sections. All of the missions were successful. When we got back to the office last night, we were able to import all of our cycles and get them pre-imported, ready for processing once we finish our flying today. We anticipate having some of the same challenges today with, again, the nearby unregulated airport, as well as nearby rights-of-way from CSX Railway, as well as the Beeline Expressway. So we're going to need to pre-analyze our flight to make sure that we do not fly over public roads, make sure that we cover our limits fully, and maintain a safe mission.
Today's mission, we are in a different location for the 3rd flight. We'll have a railway to deal with and the same aviation school. We'll be dealing with that as well, but those challenges, that's what we have the visual observer for. Today we'll be doing 1 flight. It'll be about 30 to 45 minutes, and after that we'll be doing some ground control points.
We're going to be flying at the same altitude as our previous flights, 250 feet AGL. This will give us enough altitude over the tree line, as well as enough altitude below the ceiling for local aircraft. We are going to capture everything from the road all the way into the tree line, covering the canal, as well as the right-of-way of the railroad and the Beeline without proceeding over the public road.
So drone surveying gives us the opportunity to hit areas that field crews might not be able to get to. It also cuts down the time of being able to process the data and collect the files that we need for the project managers.
One of the primary reasons we chose the GeoQ TrueView 635 sensor was due to its reliability in the field. We were able to successfully complete all of our missions today without any hardware interruptions. All of our challenges were from exterior factors, as in planes or visual line of sight. The use of aerial LiDAR is critical for a project like this. As you can see behind me, we've got heavily, densely vegetated areas which are inaccessible to traditional GPS field crews. Using aerial LiDAR allows us to collect infinitely more data than a traditional GPS field crew could collect in a fraction of the time.
So the outcome today was exactly what we were expecting with the equipment. The data that we collected and using the drone gave us the opportunity to get this done in half the time as a field crew would.
We successfully completed the 3rd and final mission today. Both of our flights were successful. We were able to capture the entire area, including the dirt road behind me, the canal, all of the vegetated area where our road will be going, as well as the railway and the Beeline right-of-ways. We anticipate that the missions will all successfully import and we'll be able to process our LiDAR surface as soon as we get back to the office.